Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Anna Wafi Aziza. So today I would like to talk about women's struggle against patriarchy and analysis of radical feminism through Nadia Hashimi, A House Without Windows by Naili Siva Fauzia. Afghanistan is one of the most dangerous and difficult countries for the women to live in. During the reign of the Taliban, the norm made strict rules for the women that it gives wider chance for the men to oppress the women. Nazimi 2014 stated that Afghanistan is a patriarchal society where all the major institutions are controlled by men. Afghan women assist and struggle against different structures of power: male, ethnic, religions, age, regional, and international. It indicates that the women in Afghanistan suffer from the social system that is made by the men in their male-dominated society. Afghan women face inequality and injustice in the environment where the men take full authority over the women in all fields of life. Feminism is the theory about women in low position under patriarchal culture. Patriarchy is the social system arranged by the man for the purpose to dominate the women. The women are made inferior in power while the men are a superpower. Among the branch of feminism, radical feminism strongly against the force of power in a patriarchy. In other words, men's violence against women is seen as an important basis of man. Methods. Afghanistan is a patriarchal society reflected in Hashimi's third novel, A House Without Windows. The study describes aspects of women's struggles based on Millet's 1970 and guided with a radical feminism point of view. The writer, as the observer, studies the female character Robert 2003 through the written data in the form of words from the novel. Result and discussions. In these discussions of women's struggle through the female character in the novel, the women have done a lot of effort to gain chance to get their rights. The detailed explorations about women's struggle of Afghanistan is followed by four aspects that are building self-consciousness, demanding autonomy in decision-making, declaring resistance to be controlled by men, getting the right to speak, the right to get education, and the right to work to earn money. The first female character in the novel that has self-awareness as a Gulnaz, who is not well educated but can understand the condition that is happening in their country. Ziba's daughter realizes her marriage has gone wrong and asks for mercy through her daughter as their representative. After having the self-awareness, the women begin to know deeper about right and wrong. By building awareness of injustice, they defeat the unfair accusations that has happened to them so that not any single woman will face the same thing. Demanding autonomy in decision-making. The second form of women's struggle to get their rights is demanding autonomy in decision-making. In this struggle, the women no longer want to accept passively what the men try to arrange for them. By having self-autonomy, then the women will feel that they own their own lives, declaring resistance to be controlled by men. In the novel, the women try a great effort to declare that they refuse some forms of men's control, such as refusing to have too many children and refusing marriage arrangements for girls. This is against the norm in Afghanistan patriarchal society, where the women commonly do not have the guts to reject anything decided by the man. It is clear from the quotation that Gulnaz states clearly in front of her husband and family that she takes control of the childbirth. So, based on the novel, we know that men's judgments or parents' opinions are not always successful for a daughter's marriage. Therefore, the women must be brave to express that they have different point of view. Getting the right to speak, the right to get education, and the right to work to earn money. Afghan women struggle to get their basic right, the right to speak, to education, and to work to earn money. Goodness in a house without windows encouraged women to speak to get the right to speak. Getting the right in education is a struggle for Afghanistan women because the country is having a civil war. Working women defeat the image that only men can influence society. In here, Gulnaz wants to emphasize that the men and the women have the same right to speak with the judge. The woman is not always depend on the man for any kinds of change. The woman can have her own change if she dares herself to start speaking. In conclusions, research suggests that inequality and lack of opportunities for women still happen until now. Women's awareness is central to step out of their offensive situations. Based on the female character in a house without windows, the women try to improve their conditions, begin to raise self-consciousness as well as inspiring others who face a similar situations. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.